Medicare misunderstandings can be costly. Some Medicare beneficiaries who visit the hospital are getting surprised by big bills because their stays weren't considered inpatient services. I'm David Parker with the Law Office of David Parker, and this is another entry on my video blog. When a family member needs to go to a nursing home, the costs can be difficult to handle and packed with surprises. Unfortunately, for many families and elderly persons, a trip to the hospital will happen in between and may even immediately precipitate the transition to nursing home care. According to a recent article in the Wall Street Journal, the number of observation hours, that is, hours in which the need for nursing home care is being medically determined, has been steadily growing for years. Unfortunately, sub-observation hours count as outpatient services, even if the service lasts for several days, as it sometimes does with the elderly, and Medicare pays for inpatient and outpatient services in entirely different ways. Inpatient services are covered under Medicare Part A. Outpatient services are covered under Medicare Part B, and because of the differences in coverage under the two program parts, outpatient services can end up costing much more in out-of-pocket expenses. Even worse, in order for Medicare to cover nursing home costs, the move to the nursing home must take place after at least 3 inpatient days in the hospital. Thus, whether the patient's hospital visit is categorized as inpatient or outpatient can matter a whole lot more than just the cost of the visit itself in terms of New York asset protection. It's often difficult to know whether a patient is classed as inpatient or outpatient, especially since the hospital can change the categorization at any time and often without notice. This is a key elder law issue of New York estate planning for families with older members who may need nursing home care, and there is no easy way to make sure one knows what is going on. It's necessary, therefore, to keep one's finger on the pulse both of Medicare and of the hospital and be aware of the pitfalls. I'm David Parker with the Law Office of David Parker. I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney.